There is a need to also go for open innovation. Innovation that has been defined with novelty and usefulness needs to go beyond the economy and must include health if the world is to go from COVID-19 to the post-COVID-19 global reorder. So we need to re-innovate innovation. Open innovation to revalidate it by including health achievements, both prevention and cure, not relying on the validation criteria of commerce, economy, and market only. The validation criteria for both novelty and usefulness has to be transformed. There should be an inclusion of health, well-being service provision, environmental protection, humanitarian criteria above the current dominant validation, based only by market, merely by market, commerce and economics, including the current dominating e-commerce expansion. So we need to also open what we call social innovation. Both the ontology and epistemology of innovation to bring the post-COVID-19 reorder need transformation by redefining innovation to address the challenges the world is going through. A new appreciative reorientation in anchoring the African Unified Health and Innovation Agenda would require that the innovation approach to open to the validation from narrow economistic to wider unification of health economy, social and environmental factors. We need to rework, redesign, re-engineer the way to deal with COVID-19 by increasing the R&D to create safer, open social innovation. So, social innovation, Africa needs to construct a new social innovation that integrates, networks, and unifies sustainably open innovation, an open innovation system path by coming together rather than by going alone, facing the prisoner's dilemma, being caught within the boundaries of each of the 55 states. A new social innovation approach to handle the rich resources and how to create both production, applying high technology and innovation, and creating consumption by making the African production to consumption value chain is much needed to address now more than at any time as the global value chain is changing dramatically with the fourth industrial revolution and the COVID-19 difficult time we're in, crisis time. Africa now has to embark on the path of innovating innovations by creating the inventive, transformative, green, smart, integrated, network, unified, industrial structure, sustainable development, even industrial, agriculture, and service integrated, sustainable development to deal with and respond to the current post-industrial revolution and the COVID-19 time. A new paradigm shift is needed. The African Science Technology Innovation System path should also change the mindset of all to be changers and change makers and game changers. What to produce, where to produce, how to add value with innovation on the entrepreneurship should be the priority of life for all to transform Africa. A new social innovation approach to value and use all the resources to create a production by applying high technology innovation is long overdue. Let all join and seize the moment to innovate innovative Africa, not the donor loan debt dependent Africa from now on. So we should use social digital technology. We should apply digital transformation to create not technology, but social technology. Not merely innovation, but social innovation. Not just enterprises, but social enterprises. The fourth industrial revolution can change the way we live, the way we work, or the way we interact with one another. So we need to apply and align the digital technologies to create well-being for people and nature that is highly much needed now to deal with the current crisis and manage it better. COVID-19 has accelerated exponentially the use of digital technology. So we need a new social innovation African system has to be innovated now. So the new approach that's much needed, which requires mindset shift and a paradigm shift, is to be able to have the capacity to synergize, combine, all right, and unify social capital with human capital, natural capital, physical capital, and financial capital in a clever way. Capability we need to have, and productive power. From linear development to co-evolution. From post-COVID-19 system of innovation, we need to come to what we call the social innovation, the African social innovation system with social entrepreneurship by building social innovation and social enterprises in Africa. So what do we do? How do we ground and contextualize the changes? We need to combine African tradition with modernity, indigenous knowledge with also modern knowledge. From technology transfer, we need to go to technology confluence. From knowledge transfer to knowledge exchange. We need to link the informal with the formal. Agriculture, industry and services with knowledge. Create integrated online with non-online education innovation system. So by linking private, improve governance to change problem creation into solution. By linking the private to the public, the market with the state, the plan and the market, the politics with economics. Creating not just a triple helixes, quadruple. We need to include the community, government, universities, industries, and community. So we need to synergize and create an innovative system and social entrepreneurship for African post-COVID development, freeing Africa entirely from commercial validation criteria, and by including health criteria and social criteria, to move from commercial success measure to achieve unified and tangible social, environmental, knowledge, and economic gain, and health gain, and education gain. Never make commerce number one. Go for social entrepreneurship by embedding the following: compassion with competition, philanthropy with business, buy one to give one, buy what you need while giving to those in need, make profit with non-profit, economic gain, combine it with social gain, spend less, give more, doing good while doing good business, giving without selling. Giving can serve as brand for profit making. Charitable is growing the bottom line. So I think I sincerely appreciate you very much for remembering me and inviting me again. And I hope we'll have a chance to continue to do research together and collaborate and co-publish and continue to be. And if you are producing from this innovation, managing innovation in this time of crisis, you want a special issue, we have a journal called the African Journal of Science, Technology, Innovation. And I hope from the papers submitted, you can submit a special issue, and then after a year in Routledge, we can get a book. Hopefully, I really recommend you. I will facilitate that, and please try to get a publication out of it. And congratulations for organizing this important conference. Continue doing hard work with always with joy, and be safe, sound, and healthy in this not easy time, with much blessings and strength. Stay on very well. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.